Hello, salut everyone, bonjour, bonjour. This is the audio file for week 14, semaine 14. And last week we covered the possessive adjectives and the possessive pronouns. And I'm sure you remember this funny little song, Mon ton son, ma ta sa, me te se, about the possessive adjectives. Well, if you don't, simply feel free to check my video section and spend as much time as you want on this particular video, or you could simply download my the original Word file from my virtual French class. Okay. Today's lesson will be about the demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective, which is in French adjectif démonstratif. Démonstratif comes from démontrer, which is a verb. And in démontrer, we have the stem, the root, which is montrer. And montrer means to show. So basically, you use the demonstrative adjective to show, to indicate something, somebody, someone, a noun. In English, those demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, those. Alright? So it will be a very easy lesson because in French we only have 4 demonstrative adjectives. Ce, c'est, cet, c'est. We will spend some time on each one of them, okay? So let's begin with the first one, ce. Ce means this or that. Again, ce means this or that, and I really insist on this. Okay, ce means this or that. You have no way to tell whether the object I am indicating is far away from me or close to me. Alright, so not like in English, if I say this, there is this implication that the object might be close, or if I say that, it might imply that it is far. No, in French, if you say ce, it means this or that. Yeah, okay, just wanted to make sure. So in order to use ce before the noun that you wish to indicate, this noun needs to satisfy 3 conditions. First, it should be masculine. Second, it should be singular. And third, it shouldn't start with a vowel or a silent H. For example, ce monsieur, this gentleman or that gentleman. Alright? Ce cadeau, this gift or that gift. Ce fantôme, this ghost or that ghost. Okay, now, what happens if the noun is masculine, singular, but starts with a vowel or a silent H? Well, this will lead us to the second adjective, demonstrative adjective. C'est, C-E-T, C-E-T, and which means also this or that. C'est can be pronounced. You will hear some people say c'est, or sit, or set. Well, feel free to use either one, okay? So, use set if the noun that follows, the noun that you wish to indicate, is masculine, singular, and starts with a vowel or silent H. For example, the word man in French, starts with a silent H, You will need C-E-T. So you will say cet homme, alright? Cet homme, this man or that man. Étudiant, student, male student. You will say cet étudiant, which means this or that male student. Or the word accord, an agreement, accord, an agreement. You will say cet accord, okay? So if the words, if the word that you wish to indicate starts with a silent H, is masculine and singular, you use C-E-T, set. Okay. Now, what if the noun is feminine and singular? You will need to use set, C-E-T-T-E, set. This is used to indicate nouns that have a feminine gender and nouns that are singular. For example, woman, femme, the word femme. Cette femme, this or that woman. Cette dame, this or that lady. cette école, this or that school. You see, école starts with a vowel, right? École. But it doesn't matter because the noun is feminine, une école. Because the noun is feminine and is singular, you go ahead and you use cette, C-E-T-T-E. Now, the last one is ces, C-E-S, which is these or those, okay? These or those. You use it when the noun that follows is plural, regardless of the gender. So let's take homme. Homme has a masculine gender. Homme is man. It has a masculine gender. If I wish to say these men or those men, it will be ces hommes. If I wish to say these ladies or those ladies, it will be ces dames. Okay? So you use ces when the noun that you wish to indicate is plural. It doesn't matter whether it has a masculine or feminine gender. Alright, so that would be it for the demonstrative adjectives. In French, ce, c'est, cette, c'est. Now, I have learned English, okay? It's not a native language for me. And I was told by my teacher a long time ago that you use this or that. This when you wish to indicate something close to you, or that when the thing you want to indicate is far, at a certain distance from you. Okay, so in French, since ce can mean both this or that, how do you make sure that you include this notion of distance or closeness? How do you express that notion of distance? Well, it's very easy. Two words to remember. Si and la on the screen. Si and la. Si comes from ici. If you don't know that, you can go back to my lesson, my video on the adverbs of place. Here, ici, it means ici. So si is a shortened version of ici, okay? And la is there, okay? Feel free to check that video, alright? So you use si and la to express the notion of distance. So for example, if I wish to say this man, and I intend to really imply the fact that he is close to me, this man, I will say ce monsieur-ci, meaning that, and the ci here is really there to emphasize the fact that he is close, like at a very close distance. If I say ce monsieur-là, là means there, it will be that man over there. Alright, so you use si or la, and if you add these to any after any noun, like ce monsieur-ci, ce monsieur-là, cette femme-ci, cette femme-là, cette voiture-ci, cette voiture-là, you are really stressing the fact that the object you are indicating is either very close, close, or at a distance, far. Alright? So that will be it for this lesson on the demonstrative adjectives in French. Ce, c'est, cette, and c'est. Again, ce, c'est, cette, and c'est. Okay? And I have listed all the conditions under which you can use either one. Alright, feel free to email me, or you can simply join my virtual French class to download this video. No, not this video. This lesson in its original format, a Word file, and then you'll be able to spend as much time as you want and keep it for yourself. Alright, it's free. So feel free to join. I think we are right now, the number of students in this group is 215. Whoa, it's growing so fast. Okay, so I'll be very happy to have you among us, and then email me anytime. And okay, I see you. Bye bye. Au revoir. Merci.